Let's learn to divide using repeated subtraction.
Carol has 8 flowers. She wants to make bunches of 2 flowers each. How many bunches of flowers can she make? Let's make one bunch first. Eight minus 2 is 6. Carol has 6 flowers left after making one bunch of flowers. Let's make another bunch. Six minus 2 is 4. Carol has 4 flowers left after making 2 bunches of flowers. 4 minus 2 is 2. Carol has 2 flowers left after making 3 bunches of flowers. 2 minus 2 is 0. Carol has 0 flowers left after making 4 bunches of flowers. Carol divides 8 flowers equally by making bunches of 2 flowers each. We subtract 2 4 times to get 0. She makes 4 bunches of flowers. Subtracting 2 4 times from 8 is the same as dividing 8 by 2. We can use repeated subtraction to divide.
Enjoyed the video? Start learning now. Subscribe to our program by clicking the button below.